here for this. So we can do our old faithful protein powder, and we all know that's a terrible search term now in America, but that might be an unbelievable search term in let's have a quick look, just because I'm super interested now to see how cool that is. That could be a super interesting merchant words. Just going to go and log into my account. Log in. Where is it? Hurry up and log me in. So, protein powder. What's your guess for how many searches per month there are for protein powder? What would you guess? Type it in. What do you reckon it is? Protein powder on Amazon.com. There you go. 4.1 million. So you can see that folks who rank for the search term protein powder are getting a lot of money. That's a lot of money. It truly, truly is. And look, in Australia, let's have a look. 4.1 million. 447,000. Well, I would take that any day long. Any day long. And the best thing is, in Australia, look at my competition. 11 reviews. That's my competition. It's all the same freaking product. That's my competition. And look at that piece of rubbish there. I mean, it's just beyond belief. It's truly beyond belief. So, yes, I hope that shows you that it's a bit of an opportunity in Australia. Now, what was I doing? I was showing you organic results. That's right. I got myself lost a little bit there. All right, so here we go. Organic just means free. So on on most search engines, there are free listings and there are paid listings. Paid is these. These are all paid. So sponsored, etc., etc. Okay. So anything where you see the word sponsored next to it, we know that that is a potential paid listing. Now there's a whole nother thing around that about they don't pay until you click, which is why Amazon PPC is so unbelievably cool, and I love it. However, this is not paid. That's not paid for. That's not paid for. That's not paid for. It's just organically ranking in that spot. That's SEO, search engine optimization, that's got them there, versus these people are in these spots because they are going to potentially pay to be there. Not yet, not until you click, but as soon as you do click, like that, that's just cost them some money. So that is the difference between organic search results and paid search results. Now, you want to do both. You want to do both. Notice that this person here is paying for Amazon PPC, and they also are the best seller, Amazon's choice for the particular protein powder search term. All right, that tells you a lot. You should be doing both. Both is best, in my opinion. But that's what it means anyway. I hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.